What if I told you there's a route where you get paid from day one, avoid years of student debt, and can still end up with a full degree? That's not a fantasy, that's an apprenticeship. Today, we're breaking down how apprenticeships actually work straight after GCSEs and where they can take you. Apprenticeships come in levels, just like a ladder. Straight after GCSEs, most students start with an advanced apprenticeship. That's level 3, roughly equivalent to 2 A-levels. Typical entry requirements are around 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or above, usually including English, maths and science. From there, with experience and further training, the ladder leads up to higher and degree apprenticeships. Level 6, a full bachelor's degree, earned while working, with your employer covering the cost. That's the genuinely game-changing part. 0 student debt and a real degree at the end of it. One honest note. Degree apprenticeships themselves usually expect you to already have level 3 qualifications first, so this is the destination at the top of the ladder, not the very first step. The advanced apprenticeship is your entry point straight from GCSEs. Here's where this gets exciting for anyone who loved geography. Environmental practitioner apprenticeships and chartered town planner apprenticeships are real, recognised routes, and geography is one of the most directly relevant subjects you could bring with you. These pathways draw on coastal dynamics, climate and environmental justice, and human-environment relationships, practically a direct continuation of GCSE geography. English supports the report writing and communication side, maths underpins the data analysis, and a background in sociology or history strengthens the social and planning context. If you've ever pictured yourself shaping how cities or landscapes are managed in the real world, this is about as close as it gets to making that an actual job. If get paid to train, end up with a degree, 0 debt, sounds like something you want to know more about, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which industry you'd want to apprentice in. Apprenticeships are one of the most underrated routes out there. Earning, training, and building toward a full degree, all at once. We've now covered every major route: resits, T-levels, BTECs, and apprenticeships. So in the final video of this series, we're bringing it all together with a simple framework to help you actually decide which one is right for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.